We moved in 1973. We didn't have a lot of money. The kids were always the most important.
A little scary, making a big move, but it's time. The house is way too big for just two people.
It's all my blood, sweat, and tears in here, and it's harder for me to walk away from it. It is her.
I don't think there's one memory. Every door I open or every drawer I pull out, there's more memories.
We put it on the market last December, and we didn't have much luck. My daughter, who's an agent in Jacksonville, knew somebody up there who hooked us up with Amit. And the difference to me was pretty much astronomical. And Amit was a little more honest about what we could get for the house. He's very calm. He never gets upset, no matter what. When he answers you immediately, you want him to call, he calls you. He likes to text a lot, but that's the newer generation. When you guys finally finished all the work and put it out, it was only on the market for about a week, maybe 10 days, and it sold.
Yeah, people saw it right away.
I just don't think they marketed it as well. And when you have to ask me, how do I want the pictures to go, or how do you want to describe the house, or what do you think we should say about the house? And it just seems to me like their marketing wasn't as good as Amit's was, where he hires someone to write the description, and you're much more thorough as a videographer than they were, and the pictures are fantastic. I thought it was great. I thought he did a fantastic job, obviously. I'm not an easy person to deal with.
Just cherish every day, every little thing they do. Just enjoy everything you can, because they're going to keep growing up, and then they're going to be walking, and then they're going to be riding a bike, and then they're going to be skiing on the lake, Time goes by really fast, really fast.
73, I've seen a lot of kids grow up in the neighborhood. They've worked for us. They've been our friends. It's because Colette has done a lot of that stuff and takes care. She's really good with kids. She's a great person, a great mother.
Thank you. It was a lot of fun to see the grandkids enjoy the lake.
Yeah, it was called Grand's Beach House.